Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Since lately I got the supercar bug, I decided to bring another supercar for you over here at the channel. So today I went some decast car picking, and what I got over here is an amazing McLaren 650s Spider. I find the McLaren's pretty amazing supercars, and I was looking for some time now to get a nice McLaren model, but today I was in luck. This one is pretty amazing. The color is pretty cool also, so without any further ado, let's take it out of the box and look it up. The attention to detail is pretty good. I like the models made by Motormax. They're pretty well made and very reasonably priced. There's no need to mention that I love the color of this McLaren because it's one of my favorite colors for a supercar. The wheels, brake rotors and brake calipers are very well made. So now let's take it off the stand and check it. Wow, once taken out of the box, it really shines. It's a really nice model. Here we're talking about a real supercar, a nice exotic. And now, once we got a good view of the car from different angles, you guys guess what's the unique feature that this model has. And if your guess was a really cool opening doors, you were right. Okay guys, so this is gonna be it for the McLaren video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. Also, please check my other videos on supercars like Lamborghini and Ferrari. I also got a series of videos for a Mercedes, so please check this one as well. And if you're looking to buy this nice McLaren, I'll include a link for you in the description. Thanks for watching.